Let us solve linear equations using the method of elimination. Given two equations, solve the values of x and y by elimination. Let us label the equations as equation 1 and equation 2. The next step is to think how we could eliminate one variable by combining the two equations. Equation 1 has positive y, while equation 2 has negative y. How can we eliminate y? Well, adding the two equations will eliminate y. 2x plus 3x is 5x, and positive y plus negative y is 0, and 15 plus 10 is 25. We are now left with one variable, and the is variable x. We solve for the value of x. In this case, x is equal to 5. We will now substitute that value of x equal to 5 to either equation 1 or equation 2 in order to solve the other variable y. Here we pick equation 1. Let us substitute x in equation 1 with 5, and it would be like this. As you can see, there is only the y variable in this equation. We can solve the value of y. Simplifying further, the value of y is also 5. The final answer, x equal to 5 and y equal to 5. Here is another problem. Given two equations, solve the values of x and y. Let's call them equation 1 and equation 2. Let us eliminate the variable x first. To eliminate the x variable, we can multiply equation 2 by negative 1. Do you know why we use negative 1? Let's rewrite equation 2 first. Now we multiply it by negative 1. Multiplying by negative 1, it now becomes negative x plus y equal to negative 10. Copy the unused equation, that is equation 1. Combine equation 1 with the new equation we created by adding them. By adding the two equations, we cancel the x variable. We are now left with 3y equal to 5. We continue by solving the y variable. The value of y is 5 over 3 or 5/3. Now that we have the value of y, we use this value of 5/3 and substitute it to equation 2. Equation 2 now becomes x minus 5/3 equal to 10. We continue by solving the value of x. We move negative 5/3 to the opposite side and change the sign. Finally, solve for the x variable. X is equal to 35/3. Let's solve another problem. Solve x and y given these two equations. We call them equation 1 and equation 2. What should we do next? How can we eliminate one of the variables? If we look closely, we can see that 6.5 is half of 13. This means that we can multiply equation 2 by a value of 2. We copy equation 2 first. We now multiply it by 2. 2 times negative 4x is negative 8x. and then 2 times 6.5y is 13y. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Let's bring down equation 1. We now combine the new equation with equation 1 by simply adding them. Negative 8x plus positive 8x is 0. Positive 13y plus negative 13y is also 0. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. We end up cancelling both variables. Therefore, our final answer is no solution. Do you have some questions?